was that 2?
You know what?
2 is not. In what? 42 seconds. What? How long that go?
Time got live.
That's 2.5 minutes, you should finish it.
Yeah. Well, he actually had half.
Yeah.
42 seconds. I reckon he's just going to go.
Bear in mind, I had the slice that was there.
Yeah, that's how I want you to finish it off, because that is like you just...
Slow down, bro. Slow down.
we'll look at the calories later.
No, you chill, bro.
Per serving, yeah.
Is it out of date?
You don't matter, bro.
What is it?
Chocolate cake.
Per serving? How many servings is that?
6 servings.
1 Sharif serving.
Well, depends on your serving per what? Per 8?
Yeah,
6 servings. How many calories?
Or 1 to each.
you don't say calories, you said calories.
I'm talking about calories, man.
How much fat in the cake?
We could tell him what he's in it.
Not that much fat.
I know, but that's why it's in calories.
What's
That's
the
what?
daily percentage?
You know when you've done that, you send it to me, I can send it to his wife.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I'll send you the link.
That, yeah. So it's going to be totally good.
If it helps, it's high definition.
30.
I'm going to see him tomorrow.
Shit, bro, he's done it.
You'll see me tomorrow with them cheeks like.
He's going to go on your belly.
You gotta lick the plate clean as well.
He's got to keep it slow, but he's got some penny.
No crumbs.
You can't leave the little crumbs, you can't leave the crumbs.
Yeah, that boy cleaned that plate fully, bro. He licked it clean.
He ate the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then he was back to eat my
Don't forget you got loads on the knife as well.
How long ago was that?
2 minutes.
Boy.
How long?
2 minutes.
I told you 5 minutes is too long, man.
2 for you, 2. You've done under 3 minutes, man.
You know what? He's dangerous.
He has to walk downstairs first.
Oh yeah.
Looks like it's gonna fall off.
3 minutes.
You need to loosen your coat, mate.
I cleaned that bathroom.
Who's gonna wash my plate after, bro?
I think as always you gotta wash your own.
Hey, you, lad, when you stop him first? You gotta finish the chips, bro. Fuck, there's some chips there.
They're hiding that, they're running away.
There's another one.
I'm like, to his cake. Try to run away.
Less than 4 minutes.
That's a bit, that's common, man. There's a lot of cake there.
Can we see the plate?
You know what?
That will feed a very skinny person, you know, in yourself.
But that'd be someone else's like lunch or something.
Think of the poor people.
I was just gonna say that.
You know what?
3 minutes, 55 seconds.
Impressive.